Hi everyone, it's Heidi with the Usborne Experience. Today I wanted to show you an amazing homework helper and homeschooling resource of the Usborne Weather and Climate Change book. And this book comes with internet links. Wait till you see the pages of this book. So this book covers everything from global warming to winds to studying the weather and weather forecasting, gradual climate change, greenhouse gases and the greenhouse effects. And on every single page of this book, there will be a little box with internet links. For instance, on the Soaking Up the Sun page, website 1, you can take a trip through the sun with amazing facts and movies. And website 2, you can explore the nature of the sun with video clips and images. And then website 3 is a really useful site with lots of information about the sun. There are photographs and there are informative drawings. Here we're learning about local climates, again with internet links on each page. In this one, website 2 has mountains of the world, water in the air, and on some of the pages you'll even see a box that says see for yourself that has little activities you can do to mimic what you're learning on that page. This one says this is how you can create your own miniature rainbow. Look at that, mist, haze, and fog. This internet link has photographs and facts about how frost forms. This is all about weather in the air, and it talks about currents and air pressure, low and high pressure, floods and droughts, monsoons, weather forecasting, and some of the tools they use to forecast the weather, from weather satellites to automatic stations, radar, and weather balloons, clues to past climates. This has a timeline of the natural change of the weather throughout time. It even shows you in this key where past extinctions have been. This See for Yourself tells you about how ice melts most quickly at its edges where it's thinner. And it talks about noticing it the next time you eat a bowl of ice cream. The page on the sun even gets into the science of wavelengths, short and long wavelength, ultraviolet radiation. It talks about the future of weather. And what I like about this book is that it even talks about the disagreement in weather changes. In the back of the book are some really useful data tables on climate data, from highest average annual rainfalls to weather records, synoptic chart symbols, and the Beaufort scale. It has different lightning types and a timeline of weather discoveries. It even has a little test in the back to test your knowledge once it's done. We've got our glossary, we've got our index, and for $10.99 for this soft, flexi binding that'll stand up to any kind of weather that you put it through, this book is a steal for a home library, for a classroom library, or for a homeschooling library. Heck, I like to just sit and look at this book myself, or with my preschooler and my toddler. They find the pictures to be really, really mesmerizing. You can grab this book at my website, www.theusborneexperience.com, and you can find me at The Usborne Experience with Heidi on Facebook and on YouTube. Thanks for watching.